Welcome to the video lecture. In this video, we are going to see about the next Python fundamental concept, strings and string methods. A string is a sequence of characters inside quotes, as you all know. And you can use double quotes to give a string and store it in a variable, and single quotes to give a string and store it in a variable in Python. And you can also use triple quotes here. This is a triple quote. This is used for multi-line string. Even though this is a single line, you can use multiple lines inside the triple quotes and store it in another variable. So strings are always immutable. Once created, we cannot change the string directly. So there are many common string methods we are using. Here are some useful methods you will use all the time. So lower method, it is used for making everything lowercase, and upper method is used to make everything uppercase. For strip is used to remove spaces from start and end. Replace is used to replace the old word with a new word, and split is used to split your string into a list of words. And count of word, it returns the counts how many times the word appears, and find of word, it finds the position of the particular word you have mentioned, and starts with a particular word, checks how a string begins, and ends with the word, it checks how a string ends. For example, if I am having a string stored in a variable called message, Python is awesome, and there is a space in the starting and ending of the particular string. So if I am using that message variable, I am going to use some of the string methods. So if I am printing message.lowerof, it will convert the given string into lowercase and print the message. And if I am using strip off, it will remove the space in the start and end and print the message. And if I am using replace method, it replaces the awesome word with powerful and print the message. And if I am using split, it splits the string into a list of words and return it. So based on the concept of strings and the string method, we are going to create two small projects, word counter and palindrome checker. So first, let us create word counter. So for this, I am going to get the input as a sentence. So I am going to store the sentence by splitting it. Split off, and then I am going to print the count just by using len of method. So I'm going to execute the code. So it will ask you for a sentence to type. So if I'm giving Python is easy and powerful, so it will give you the word count. So there are five words here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it will display the word count here. So next project is palindrome checker. And for that I am going to get the input as a word. And then I have to check whether the text and the reverse of text are same. So text is equal to text of double colon -1. So the given text and the reverse of the text both are same, then it will have to print as palindrome, or else it will print not a palindrome. So I'm going to execute. So I'll ask you for a word. I'm giving race car. So yes, it is a palindrome, race car. So the reverse of the word is also same as the word. So it is a palindrome. So I'm giving another word now. For example, I'm giving any name, Johnny. So it is not a palindrome. Yes, just now we have created two simple projects using strings and string methods. So that's all about today's video. Thank you for watching the video.